And Judge,
Attorney Jarvis? Yeah.
I'll turn later.
Okay, cool. I just saw him turn on his camera. Attorney Jarvis?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna call you.
Hey,
now,
I'm here.
Okay. Okay, cool. All right. You're just sitting in your car for a moment?
Yep, I'm just waiting. I got multiple Zooms going, so I'm so sorry.
Okay, no, it's okay. We're gonna get you out of here real quick, okay? We're gonna open
No
doors
problem.
first, okay?
You guys always treat me well. I appreciate it. Thank you. I'm ready whenever you are.
All right.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a leveled surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, thank you. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Michael Jamal Yono. This is ticket SX 4198172. This is one count speed, no highway, it looks like, or non-expressway, 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Christopher Jarbo, P59507, appearing on behalf of Michael Yono with the authority to enter a plea or resolve on his behalf, consenting to have it held via remote proceedings. How are you, Judge?
I'm good, and you? Thank you so much. Today is the date time set for a formal hearing. It was on my docket at 8:30 a.m. Counsel, how would you wish to proceed at this time?
Your Honor, being that this is the time and date set for formal and that no one's checked in, I'd ask for the court to consider a dismissal. I'd motion for dismissal at this time.
All right, and I did check to make sure that the officer did not check in. They did not, so the court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. All right, sir, you take care of yourself. I know you got multiple things this morning, so go ahead.
Thanks, Judge. Always good to see you. See you in a week.
All right, see you. Bye-bye.
Mr. Zaki,
Yes.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room so that you can speak with the attorney.
Okay, that's cool. Thanks.
Okay.
Turned off his camera, Miss Sandy, just so you know.
You did, okay.
It wasn't him.
All right.
Hello. Wait, I can't see you guys. What you guys do?
You're fine, Mr. Zaki. Just sit tight.
What you guys do?
Okay, Mr. Zaki, when you receive an invitation, join breakout room number 15.
15. All right. Oh.
Officer Harris?
Yes.
Okay, you can go on and rejoin number 1.
Okay. Let me see. Where is it at?
Okay. Good morning, sir. What's your name, please?
My name Charles Youngblood.
Hey, Mr. Youngblood, just one moment. Hey, Mr. Youngblood, I have you checked in. Mr. Youngblood, would you please do me a favor and put on a type of shirt, something other than a white t-shirt?
Okay, sure, no problem.
Thank you. And put your phone on mute, please.
Okay.
Before you go to do that, Mr. Youngblood, I just want to let you know that I'm going to put you in what's called a breakout room. It's a place where you can speak with the attorney about your case in private.
Okay.
All right?
No problem.
Okay, just 1 second.
I don't know how to put the phone on mute.
Okay, there's an icon or a little symbol that looks like a microphone.
I mean, to be honest,
Swipe your screen either left to right, right to left.
yep, I got it.
It's adjourned breakout room number 16. Mr. Youngblood, can you hear me? Mr. Youngblood, do you see the invitation to join breakout room number? Okay.
It's not all of it. I keep going.
Sandy, I'm not sure about the person who just came into the waiting room, so.
They sent them a chat asking what their name,
Cool.
another chat suggesting that they try another court role because the last name ends with a B.
Okay, cool. I just was letting you know. I don't know about that name.
Judge, should I let the iPhone in, the one labeled iPhone?
Yeah, I think that's, yep, I think that's Mr. Youngblood. I think he may have dropped off. Charles Youngblood.
Okay. I'm sending messages, chats.
I can see it. We think Mr. Ball, and you're giving him the right courtroom number. It does look like he has some cases out there. I just don't know if that's the person. I don't know if the cases are today either, but I think the iPhone is definitely Charles. Yep, I think that's Charles Youngblood. Yeah.
Mr. Youngblood,
Yes, ma'am.
is there a reason you left Zoom?
No, I'm not, I didn't think I left it. I was on here.
Okay. Did you receive a phone call or make a phone call?
No, I did not.
Okay. Have you spoken with the attorney yet?
Yes, he said that he would get in contact with you because I have an attorney, but he had an emergency.
Okay.
So he said it was gonna be set for a pretrial or something.
Sandy, he was already in the waiting room, so you can just place him back into the waiting room. He was already in there.
I knew he was.
Yeah.
I didn't know if he was in the waiting room or breakout room. Okay, Mr. Youngblood, I'm going to put you back in the waiting room. Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna wait on the phone.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. We'll bring you back out when the judge is ready to hear your case.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Judge, they're not getting the message, the chats. So I just let him in. Oh, this is,
That's somebody, that's Samsung, that's Mr. Zaki, that's coming in, John Zaki, he must have got disconnected. On Cordell Bra, let me see if he has a real court date today. If he does, we can chance it, or we can wait till the end, because we're live on YouTube. I'd rather kind of wait till the end of our docket to see who it is. Oh, let me, I can call. We can call and see, we're gonna call and see, and if it is, we'll let them
Hello?
in.
Can you
Hi,
hear me?
Mr. Zaki. Yeah, we can hear you, Mr. Zaki. Don't answer your phone or anything while you're waiting, okay? Were you in the breakout room?
No, I was just right here and then I heated up my coffee and then I came back and seen this.
Okay. All right, just make sure you try to stay in there, okay? Because we can't talk to you if you're not in the room, okay?
Oh yeah, I'm chilling, I'm posted up.
Okay, and finish that before you start court today, okay, Mr. Zaki? Because you can't drink while you're in court, okay?
I'm not drinking, I'm drinking coffee.
I know, but I'm saying you can't have anything to drink, but you
Oh,
can
I
finish
thought
your.
you meant like
Attorney-
drink.
Mr.
Like
Zach.
I'm not, I was about to say I don't
Mr.
drink.
Zaki, Mr. Zaki, listen,
Like I got a
listen,
bitch
okay?
or something.
All right, Mr. Zaki, you gotta listen, okay? I just
Okay.
said while the court hearing starts, you can't drink, okay? So
Oh yeah, I
we'll put you
know,
back.
I know.
What's your, were you talking to the attorney yet or no? Because they have some.
Yeah, he talked to me.
Okay, cool. We'll put you in the waiting room then, okay?
He talked and I listened.
Okay, you know, go ahead, Sam.
did he tell you to come back to the courtroom?
Yeah, he told me to take the deal.
Okay, well, I'm gonna put you in a waiting room now.
Okay.
House counsel is ready on all cases.
Good morning, Attorney Kaufman. How are you doing?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm doing fine. I forgot my tie, so I'll be right back.
Okay. All right, no worries.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm ready.
Okay, and I right on the docket. Do you all see Ray Wright on the docket?
I don't see him on the docket. I was trying to see what he may be doing. He signed off anyways. So. All right, let me do some of these cases with the officers who are here first. So I'm gonna bring out Ned Wilson and let him know he has not signed in. You don't have anybody signed in for Ned Wilson, right? He's retained counsel anyway, right? Let me get him out here.
You need to find it.
I'm just talking. Officer Jackson signed in for Ned Wilson.
Yeah, I brought him out so I could be able to, thank you though, I appreciate it.
Oh, so okay.
Lieutenant Jackson,
Yes, ma'am.
Ned Wilson did not check in at all, so if you are free to go, I'm gonna call Capius on him, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
No problem, I didn't want you just sitting in there, I know you come in here sometimes, but it was supposed to be a trial, neither one of them have checked in, so you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, have a good day, be careful.
You too.
All right, bye.
Bye.
All right. I'm gonna bring in Khadijah Williams next. I have the officer here. You ready on that one, Attorney Kaufman?
I'm ready.
Sir, Ms. Williams.
I also have one individual who presented a driver's license, Ariana Yarborough. Can we confirm that her driver's license is valid?
I will, while we're
Thank
doing this up. No problem. Ms. Williams, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, ma'am, turn it up. I see you now too, which is fantastic. All right. Don't pay attention. All right, now calling the matters of the people versus Khadijah Williams. This is ticket number SP 1225975. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1225990. Count 1, improper lane usage. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count 3, failed to secure child over 4 years old or under 16 years old in a safety belt. Ticket number SP 1225998. Count 1, failed to properly secure child or passenger. Count 2, failed to secure child under 4 years old in car seat. Count 3, failed to secure child under 4 years old in car seat. And ticket number SP 1226580, failed to secure child under 4 years old in car seat. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P 55052 on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your full name?
Khadijah Williams.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is the date and time for trial. There's also some officers that have appeared. Would they state their name and badge number for the record?
Kylie Sikorsky, badge 4422.
Judge, the prosecutor and I, Ms. Snyder, have agreed. We're stipulating here today to set a new trial date for the defendant. We're asking specifically that a court-appointed attorney, that the court appoint an attorney from the MIDC. There are some evidentiary issues, and they should be looked at, as well as a possibility that an investigator might be appointed for a lack of a res gesti witness. There was an individual who was in the vehicle in question on the date in question, and that individual does not appear today, and the defendant's going to need some help finding that individual. So for those reasons, the prosecutor has agreed to adjourn the matter for another trial date, and we're asking that the defendant be appointed court-appointed counsel.
Okay. You don't know this, Attorney Baldwin, but this has been on my docket for over a year.
I do. I am aware. We spoke of it, Your Honor, and the defendant is aware of it. And in some ways, the defendant has been frustrated as well. I just recognize this situation as one where, you know, I'm happy to give the defendant representation today, but there's some other things involved that I would have done a motion to suppress.
Okay. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get some appointed counsel for her. You're unable to afford your own counsel. Is that what I'm hearing? All right. I want to have her come back so that we can pick counsel, or so I can make sure counsel is appointed. Ma'am, when we finish this hearing, I need you to call this phone number, so I need you to take it down. You ready?
1 second. I'm ready.
All right, 313.
Yes.
965.
Yes.
2293.
Okay.
All right, I need you to call us so we can get some information from you so that we can have counsel appointed. I'm gonna have you come back in. Yes. So I'm gonna have you come back. I'm gonna have you come back June 7th for a pretrial, and so hopefully your attorney will be appointed by that point in time. But call the courtroom so we can get the attorney appointed. Bond will continue at $0. Officer, thank you for coming. Be safe out there.
Your Honor.
We'll see. Yes.
I'm sorry, before we release anybody, would you place into the file an order that any video evidence that is still in existence be preserved?
Yes, if I'm presented with the motion, I will.
So moved.
All right, so move. All right, so I do need some paperwork for that, so I need somebody to fill out something that says, so if Attorney Baldwin, you can at least do that on her behalf. I will sign it and make sure it gets to the respective locations, okay?
Very well.
All right, if there's nothing further, everyone's all set. I'll see you back on, officer, you don't have to come, but I'll see you back, Ms. Williams, on June 7th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay,
All right,
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you. Everybody have a great day.
You
Y'all have a great day.
All right, you too. All right, I'm gonna bring in Mr. Weathers. Did he do what he was supposed to do money-wise? I have his community service.
He needs time to pay.
He's had a year to, okay, all right. All right. Mr. Weathers? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Dartanius Devin Weathers. This is ticket U 602-23321. This is one count of, I think he remained on a property, commercial property. That's scheduled here for a review today. Also, we have ticket U 312574416. This is one count amended to disorderly conduct. That matter is here for a review today as well. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name.
Dartanius Dewan Weathers.
Thank you. Mr. Weathers is here for a review, Judge. He does need more time to pay. And we're asking specifically and respectfully for a short period of time that he would be able to come into compliance.
You've given him short periods of time. Well, as far as you tickets 602-23321, I did receive that he completed his community service for that case. So he completed that 50 hours of community service. So today I'm going to dismiss that matter.
Thank you.
Because he completed that. Mr. Weathers, in my computer, it notes that this was the last time that I was gonna give you a chance, but it's offer to engage that has been lowered to disorderly conduct. You don't want the offer to engage. Mr. Weathers, the offer to engage includes automatic 45 days in jail. Do you want that?
Oh, man, I'm trying to pay.
Exactly. If you don't fulfill this and pay it, stop trying to pay it all at once, Mr. Weathers, okay? Stop trying to pay it all at once. Pay it in chunks. Because you're trying to pay it all at once and it's not working. I'm really trying to work with you so you don't have to go to jail for 45 days. But it has been going on since May 12th. So that means on Friday or Thursday, Friday. This is a whole year on something that I used to give 3 months to complete, a year.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know. I had lost my job at the time, but I had just got the job, and today I'm putting $100 towards it today.
Mr. Weathers, if you don't pay $100 towards it today, I'm going to have you come back to court next week.
I
Okay?
have money in my hand right now.
$100 towards it today. All right, I'm going to give you. August 10th, okay? So that means $100 a month, $100 today, $100 June, and $100 July. You hear me?
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome. All right, I'll see you then. If not, mister, then that's it, okay?
I understand. All
right, pay that today, and then we'll see you August 10th, so pay 100 and 100 and 100, okay?
All right, thank you. You have a blessed day.
Well, you too, sir. All right, I'll see you later.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. I'm gonna bring in Mr. Did you talk to Mr. Zaki? He okay?
We're ready.
All right. Mr. Zaki, you ready? Can you see me? Probably can't see me, but you can at least hear me, right? Unmute yourself. You unmute yourself for me, sir? You see it? There you go. All right.
Okay,
Mr.
you got
Zaki.
me. Okay, I was trying. Like, no.
I know. This is not for everybody, okay? All right. Have a seat for me, Mr. Zaki, so you can be still for a second, okay?
I'm nervous.
I know, Mr. Zaki, but you gotta be still, okay?
Okay, hold on. I'm trying to turn this off. All right, I got you. I'm about to sit down. Okay, relax. Okay.
Relax. Take a deep breath
Well,
for me,
where'd you
okay?
go? I can't find you. Okay, there you are.
You see me?
Yeah. No, I don't see none of y'all. I see some chairs though.
It's okay, because you probably see the courtroom speaking right now. So you
Yeah.
don't see.
Is that where
Okay.
y'all at? Or no, y'all at the crib?
Let me show you. I'm gonna let you see me, okay, Mr. Zach?
Okay. Oh, you are there. Okay. Okay. I didn't know if you was there or just like
Because the volume.
you ain't there. Oh yeah, you are there. Okay. I was about to say. Wait.
All right,
I see
Mr.
you.
Zach.
Okay. Yeah. How you been?
I'm good. How about yourself, Mr. Zach?
I'm good.
I'm gonna call your manager now,
I
okay?
remember talking to you last time. I was joking with
too.
you. You kept laughing.
Absolutely. Okay, we're gonna handle your matters now, okay?
Hey, I got a scholarship. I won a scholarship for having maintain a 4.0.
Congratulations,
Wait, hold
Mr.
on.
Zach.
Wait, where's it at? Look, I'm gonna show you.
You better be proud of yourself. I love it.
It's
Mr.
right
Zach.
here. Yeah. Because remember when I first
Let me
talked
see
to you,
it.
I just had enrolled.
Okay.
It's right here. See the Great Start Scholarship Award. Can you see it? Oh, okay.
Wow, that's
Way
nice.
to go, Mr. Zaki.
Yay.
Thank you.
All right. Now, can we handle your cases
Hey
for
man, you're the
today?
only one. Yeah, okay. Hey, that was the biggest congratulations I got since I got the award. That's messed up. Y'all don't even know me like that. That's messed up.
All right, Mr.
Thank
Zaki.
you, though. I
Let's take care
appreciate
of your case for today, okay?
it. Okay. Oh
All
yeah.
right.
Oh yeah.
We're so
That's
proud of you, though, okay?
it. Thank you.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus John Zaki. This is ticket number SP 1383686. Count 1, drive with revoked license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 138366762. No receipt of registration. Ticket number SP 138366761. Violation of the basic speed law or violation of the basic speed law. Ticket number SP 1365773, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1378151. That's 1 count, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 2 of that ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP 1365739. This is 1 count, failed to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please, first.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, please state your name for the record.
John Zaki.
Good, Officer Harris, would you state your name and badge number?
Yeah, Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you and good morning. Your Honor, the defendant is going to waive his right to any trial this morning. There is a recommendation that he's going to plead guilty to. It's been discussed with the defendant and he has been advised of his rights. The specifics of the plea agreement are that he would plead guilty here and now to 1 count of failure to display, 1 count of improper plate, and 1 count for the seatbelt. And the remaining counts would be dismissed here on my stipulation of probable cause, which I give here and now to ratify the agreement. Thank you.
Okay, all right, and then we do have Officer Randy Randolph too. He's in the waiting area. I couldn't get him out. So Mr. Zaki, you want to take advantage of that offer today? It's gonna be 1 count, failed to display.
Yeah.
1 count.
Yeah, it sounds like a good offer. I mean, I'll take it.
All right, Mr. Zaki, please raise your right hand then. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yeah.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yeah.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah.
And And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yeah.
All right, Mrs. Zaki, I'm gonna take your attention back to the date first of August 26th of 2022. At that time, sir, were you in the area of East Jefferson and Randolph Streets in Detroit driving a Ford vehicle?
Yes, yes, yeah, I was on my way to work. Yeah,
Yep. And was your license revoked at the time, sir?
yeah.
And then also, I want to take you to the date of October 4th, 2022, sir. Were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of, it would have been West Grand Boulevard and Toledo Streets in the city of Detroit?
That I live right there. I mean, I might have been parked right there. I live right like on the corner of West Grand and Toledo.
Were you driving in that area?
I mean, maybe, yeah.
Zaki, remember what we talked about? If you want to, if you
Yeah,
want the
but
court to
I was
accept,
parked.
please,
I
Mr. Zaki, let me
parked in
finish.
front of I was parked in front of my house, though. I'm saying.
Right, well, to get in that park position, doesn't that mean you had been driving the vehicle?
Yeah, I was just saying.
Okay, so can you just admit to the court that you were driving the
Yes.
vehicle on that date and time?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, forgive me.
It's okay. No, I appreciate you stepping in. That's what council's supposed to do. All right, and at some point you have been driving it. Even if you live in that area, you have been driving that vehicle, correct, Mr. Zaki?
Yes.
And did that car have insurance on it at the time?
No.
All
That's
right.
fine.
And then satisfied, thank you. Stipulation to the four corners of the ticket for the factual basis of the responsible plea.
Absolutely, for the seatbelt, yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to fail to display, amended charge of improper plate, and a seatbelt charge, okay? Mr. Mackey, Zaki, the seatbelt charge is $65, sir. Typically, you have to pay that in 14 days. Is that enough time for you? If it's not, tell me.
No, can you give me time to pay, please? Because I got a lot of stuff I gotta take care of.
All right, Mr. Zaki, I'm also gonna charge you $200 for one of the tickets, and then I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on the other ticket, okay? But I'm gonna give you some time to pay, okay? And you don't have to pay it all at once.
I appreciate it.
You can pay it in chunks, okay? So I'm gonna give you a long time.
I appreciate
Don't
it.
forget, if I give you a long time, don't forget, Mr. Zaki,
No,
okay?
I won't. I live in Detroit.
Okay.
I'm not gonna forget about you. You looked out. I don't forget about people like that. I promise.
I'm gonna give you until September 11th to have all of this paid, okay? The 265, okay?
Okay,
So that's a lot of
that's
time.
cool. Yeah,
Okay.
that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, my birthday August 18th. That's cool.
Okay, fantastic. Well, happy early birthday, okay? All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing, okay, Mr. Zaki? Take your time, make some payments on it. Don't try and pay it all at once, okay?
I
Like
will.
$35, $40 at a time, and you'll be
Right.
finished paying no time,
Right, I feel
okay?
you. All right, I appreciate it.
No problem. All right, Mr. Zaki, good luck to you, okay?
All right, man.
Peace out. Yes. Officer Fitzgerald, thank you. Stay safe, Corporal Rudolph, stay safe as well,
Yeah,
okay?
stay safe, man.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Congratulations.
Yes. Thank y'all. Thank you, Officer Harris. All right. Miss Yarborough's license is valid, Attorney Baldwin.
Great.
Okay, I'll bring her. I think she's at the top of my list anyways. So I'll bring her in first. Miss Yarborough?
Yes.
Your conference will begin momentarily. Please continue to hold.
Hold, you gonna put your phone on mute for me so I don't hear that?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Ariana Yarborough. This is ticket SP 1405934. Count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1405904. One count expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Ariana Yarbrough.
Thank you. The defendant is in compliance, Your Honor. We're here for pretrial. I have and can confirm that the defendant presented to my attention a registration certificate for her vehicle, a 2014 Dodge Charger that will not expire until August 13th of 2023. In addition, she has presented to my attention an insurance certificate for the same Dodge Charger from the USA Underwriters of Rancho Cucamonga, California, that will not expire until July 2nd of 2023. Also, the defendant was issued on January 14th of 2023, a valid and current driver's license. So I want to congratulate her on that and ask if the court would dismiss these cases per policy and stipulate to probable cause. Thank the court and the prosecutor.
All right. So at this time, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documents, I don't know what Mr. Yarborough is doing right now. Seeing valid documents, the court is going to grant her request and going to dismiss these matters without prejudice for her compliance. Ma'am, make sure you keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes, thank you so much.
All right, have a good day.
Jordan, presiding over this case of, this is more document number 23-002072, agency number 11250.
I was gonna try to remove them, my bad. All right. Lance Wilson is gonna be next. Mr. Wilson? All right.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of People versus Lance Nicholas Wilson. This is ticket SP 1338053. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Lance Nicholas Wilson.
Thank you. Mr. Wilson presents today with valid and current insurance from the Cure Auto Agency, and that does not expire until August 4th of 2023. It is to the vehicle in question. And unfortunately, my notes don't reflect the make and model of that vehicle. Do you know that make and model, Mr. Wilson?
Yes, it's for Ford Fusion.
Okay, so based on the policy of the prosecutor to dismiss in these cases, I would stipulate to probable cause and thank the court and the prosecutor, Your Honor.
Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Thank you, sir. You're all set.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Mr. Wilson?
How you doing?
I'm good. And you, is it Devlin or is how you pronounce your first name?
Devin.
Okay, it is Devin. Okay. Now calling the matter of People versus Devin Lee Wilson. This is ticket number SP 1341740. Count 1, smoking marijuana within passenger area of vehicle upon public highway. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, registration and/or plate violation. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Devin Lee Wilson.
Thank you. As far as arraignment goes, please enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant. And because he appears today by way of Zoom, please set aside any capias, recall any warrants, and set these matters for a waiver trial date by Zoom, Your Honor. There is a genuine and material issue of fact.
Attorney Baughman, he also has 2 other cases that are in warrant status. That's ticket number SP 1346016, count 1, unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. What would you like to do with those 2 cases, counsel?
We will waive a more formal reading and thank the court to set those matters for a pretrial, Your Honor, and enter a not guilty plea. Thank you.
All right. This time the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client and set aside the warrants. Mr. Wilson, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hands down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of August 18th. August 18th at 9 a.m. Yep. Let me know when you find a piece of paper. Okay.
Okay. Okay, August 18th. At what time?
At 9 a.m. As of right now, via Zoom.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. I'll see you back then. We're gonna put all your cases that day too.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
All right, no problem. All right, you're all set.
Have a nice day.
You too. And Sandy, I think that Motorola may be John Young, so I'm gonna bring him in. Because he's not on here anymore. He seems to have dropped off, but he was on here earlier. I'm hoping.
It is.
Okay, cool.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear us, Mr. Young?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of People versus David Young. This is ticket number 727062. One count drove with license revoked. Ticket SP 1121566. Failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Ticket number SP 1278442. Count 1 failed to provide info regarding accident. Count 2, supply false information and or ID to police officer. Ticket number SP 1421392. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, improper plates. Ticket number SP 1423140. Drove with revoked license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Judge, before you do, I believe we go to the defendant, David Young. Is this David or John?
John David.
I'm sorry. One of his first tickets said David Young. So it's John David Young. Thank you for that. So one of his tickets say David Young, but it is his driver's license number. But John David Young is the name I have on the tickets. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record.
John David Young.
Junior.
Junior.
Correct. Thank you. Judge, we're here for a pretrial. I'm asking that the matter be set for a trial at this point, a waiver trial by Zoom. I have advised the defendant he's going to take some steps towards resolving some things in a way towards compliance.
Mr. Young, you got something more, hold on a minute. You got something more important to do? You getting bottles, you done got up, walked to the kitchen.
On the ground. Sorry.
Sit down, Mr. Young. Have a seat. It's only gonna be a few more seconds, okay?
Okay. Sorry, man.
All right, there we go, Mr. Young. All right. Sorry, Attorney Bowman, continue.
That's okay. The defendant's been advised he's going to take some steps to come back on his trial date with some compliance documents. But there are other issues of material fact that we would ask a trial date for by way of Zoom.
All right, Mr. Young, if you want to have that, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yeah.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of August 18th. So that gives you plenty of time. August 18th at 9 a.m. Did you have to pay any bond money, sir?
No.
Okay, we'll leave the bond at $0. August 18th, 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Young, I'll see you then. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too.
All right, you're all set. Okay, no problem.
I'm about to hit the Secretary of State.
Please do, Mr. Young, okay?
Thank you too, Attorney.
Good luck.
Good luck to you, Mr. Young. I want you to be in compliance, so come back already, okay? Bridget Williams?
I'm here. Hello.
Hello. Now calling the matter of the people versus Bridget Angela Williams. This is ticket SP 1365639. Count one, smoking marijuana within passenger area of a vehicle upon public highway. Appearances for the record, starting with Counselor.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your full name for the record, please?
Bridget Angela Williams.
Thank you, Ms. Williams. Your Honor, the date and time is today at 9 a.m. for trial. It is now 10:43, and without a complaining witness, I do not believe that people will be able to proceed today. That complaining witness, Officer Michael Flannel, to my knowledge, hasn't appeared, and I'm asking you to consider a motion to dismiss this case without prejudice. The defendant has been advised.
Time is now 10:43 a.m. I do not have record that this officer has checked in at this time, so the court's going to grant your motion and dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure you know the rules. I know that marijuana may be legal in the city of Detroit, but make sure you know exactly what that means, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bring it in Denise Williams. Miss Williams, Denise Williams.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes,
I can't see you for some reason.
I know. Pardon me?
Something blocking your camera?
No, I tried to get it on all morning.
Okay, I'm gonna let it be like this, Miss Williams, okay? You can hear me?
Okay, yes.
Now calling the matter of people versus Denise Williams. This is ticket SP 1334612. Count one, disregard traffic control device. Count two, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your full name?
Denise Williams.
Judge, we're asking that the court accept a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant for today's hearing, and that the matter be set for a pretrial. Please and thank you.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna set this for a pretrial, ma'am, on the date of August 1st. August 1st, that's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. It's via Zoom. See if you can get that camera to work, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna try it when I hang up to do someone else.
It's technology, so sometimes it doesn't work very well. So I'll see you August 1st. I'll set your bond at $0, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bringing in Jalen Williams. Mr. Williams, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm here.
Now, are you sitting up?
Yeah, I am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jalen Dion Williams. This is ticket number SP 978670. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Also calling tickets number SP 1374252. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, please, sir.
Jalen Dion Williams.
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant is here for an arraignment. Thank you for your Formal reading of the charges. Please enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant and set the matter for a pretrial. He's been advised.
Counsel, he has 2 additional tickets that are in default on one of the pre-trials.
Right.
The failed to stop for a stop sign and no proof of insurance. Do you have a motion at this time?
Would you please remove those from default? They are less than a year old. In the interest of justice, Your Honor, they are accompanying civil infractions to the instant case, and they will be part of any global resolution on the pretrial. Please, if you would set that aside.
And the court will do that at this time. I'll set aside any default that are on this particular ticket. So I'm going to have you come back to court on the date of August 1st, okay? So that gives you plenty of time to take care of business. August 1st at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0. You didn't have to pay any money, did you? Or you may have.
I paid the warrant off.
Okay, so I'll leave the bond in place. If it's not a bond, I'll make it $0. If it is a bond in place, we'll just leave it in place, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, I'll see you back on August 1st at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay, you have a good one.
You too, sir.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. I'm gonna keep going and then we'll bring in Motorola G at the end. I'm sure somebody was on here. I just don't know who it was. Because I have all the files for the people. Anthony Webb.
Yes.
All right, can you turn your camera on for me, please, sir? All right. Now, Mr. Webb, you can't be doing a whole lot of stuff while we're doing this, okay? So have a seat or just stay there like that, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Anthony Tyrone Webb. This is ticket SP 1283775. Count 1, drove while unlicensed. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. I don't know if the appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffin on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Webb, state your name.
Anthony Tyrone.
One more time.
Anthony Tyrone.
Thank you. This is a date and time for a trial. There's no complaining witness. Oh, no, I'm sorry. My notes are wrong. One moment. Show cause. The defendant is asking that a not guilty plea be entered on his behalf, and the matter set for a pretrial, please.
At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. I'm going to set this matter for a pretrial on the date of August 1st, sir. August 1st, 2023. That's going to be at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0. I don't think you had one. Yep, $0. And it'll be 8:30 a.m. August 1st. Okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set.
Thank
you. You're welcome. Now calling the matters of the people versus John Wesley Wright. This is ticket SP 1368265. Count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1368367. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, violation of the basic speed law and or drove in an unsafe manner. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. And ticket number SP 1368499. Count 1, pass on right. Count 2, fail to signal. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, would you please state your full name for the record? You're on mute.
My name is John Wesley Wright.
Good morning, Mr. Wright. The date and time for trial, Your Honor, is actually trial is set to begin at 9 a.m. Now, 10:52. Officer Hawk Greer has not appeared for the purpose of trial. I'm moving to dismiss these cases without prejudice. The defendant has been advised.
All right, the time is now 10:52 a.m. No officers having been present. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. All right, Mr. Wright.
Thank you,
Right
Judge.
here. Okay, you're welcome. You're all set, Mr. Wright. You can sign off, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Youngblood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, put your phone up to your face so I can see you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Charles Edward Youngblood. This is ticket SP 1369955. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, drove with a revoked license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record.
Charles Youngblood.
Thank you. Your Honor, Mr. Youngblood is represented by counsel. I am pleased to stand in with the defendant's permission. Is that okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Mr. Hamburger is counsel for the defendant. He is not here for purposes for the reason that he has a conflict in his schedule. Would you please and thank you, Your Honor, adjourn this matter for a pretrial where the defendant can appear again with his attorney?
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna set this for a pretrial date, sir, of August 1st. You need to let your attorney know and tell him to call the courtroom if that is not a date that works for. Are you looking at the TV, Mr. Youngblood?
No, I'm literally looking at you.
Okay, now you are. A moment ago you weren't. All right, Mr. Youngblood, tell your attorney to call. If the date of August 1st doesn't work for him, he needs to let us know, because if he doesn't come next time, I need you to find new counsel, because we can't just keep putting it off, okay, Mr. Youngblood?
Ma'am.
All right, so tell him to call the courtroom. You need the courtroom phone number just in case?
No, I got it. I got everything.
Make sure you let him know August 1st is gonna be the pretrial date. Your bond's gonna continue at $0, but if he can't make it, he needs to call the courtroom, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Youngblood, you are all set. I tried to give him some time to come to, but it didn't work, so. All right, you are all set, Mr. Youngblood.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Taylor. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, we'll see you August 1st. Remember, call the courtroom if it doesn't work, okay?
I'll be there. I'll be there. He'll be there. So we both be.
All right. I know that's right, Mr. Youngblood. We'll see you then, okay?
And you gonna be on Zoom? Zoom also?
It's gonna be on Zoom. Yep, on Zoom for right now, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're very welcome. Have a great rest of your day, Mr. Youngblood.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, bye-bye. Nobody else in the breakout rooms, right?
I think that's everybody.